Hi, I am Shawn Curran, Chief Operating Officer for Gap Inc. I've been with Gap Inc. for over 30 years, and over that period of time, I've worked across all facets of our supply chain operation. Currently lead stores, real estate, and operations for Gap Inc. in addition to supply chain. I've never been more confident about the roadmap we have in front of us, and I'm delighted to share how our operations are a strategic differentiator and enabling capability in our growth plans. Over the past several years, we have re-engineered our supply chain to be demand-driven, building out advanced capabilities, enabling us to execute with speed, flexibility, and efficiency at scale. These capabilities have given us a strong, leveraged operating platform and have positioned us well to extend these capabilities across our end-to-end operating model. Our size and our scale and the operating leverage that it brings is a competitive strength and a point of differentiation as the largest specialty apparel retailer in the U.S. We source in over 30 countries, work with 330 mills and 620 factory partners who manufacture over 1 billion units a year and 100 million pairs of denim and manufacture over 650 million yards of fabric. Our logistics footprint is expansive with over 30 consolidation points, origin consolidation points, over 250 trade lanes servicing 14 fulfillment centers around the world, or as we like to call them now, customer experience centers. We execute over 400,000 deliveries to our 3,000 company-operated stores every year, and we ship over 100 million parcels per year on top of our fast-growing buy online, pick up in store option that Nancy was talking about earlier. All of this is powered by the best talent in the business with over 100,000 team members around the globe. Now, we've been on a journey to significantly advance our capabilities from a push, instinct, execution-driven model to one that is responsive to customer demand, led by world-class talent, leveraging a balance of both art and science. Over the years, we worked diligently to solidify our core product capabilities and build a formidable, scaled, responsive supply chain. Now, admittedly, we've been slow to adopt these capabilities consistently across our brands. Our opportunity going forward is in operationalizing and driving greater adoption. Now, we've consolidated our vendor base as well. Our top 20 vendors today comprise 50% of our sourcing spend. We've adopted 3D technology to deliver consistent trend-right fit, and we've implemented capabilities to respond to customer preferences to bring product to market in as fast as 5 to 14 weeks at scale and at the right cost. With investments in digital product capabilities and omni logistics network, we are well positioned for what's ahead. We have built a strong engineering capability and operational muscle with the best talent in the business that fuels a performance-driven culture. Our opportunity going forward is to apply this engineering and operating muscle further up and downstream across our end-to-end operations. Now, more specifically, our focus will be on advancing capabilities and optimizing inventory and margin, continuing digitalization, and even more tightly integrating with our vendor base. Additionally, we will be modernizing processes throughout with the use of robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics. Over the last 5 years, we've built a technology and operating platform that gives us great speed, scale, and cost advantage across our distribution points to support our growing digital and omni-channel needs. We have been maniacally focused on building the best supply chain network in apparel retailing. The investments we've made in our DCs, in our stores, and with our partners such as UPS and Kindred Robotics are great examples. Our logistics network leverages industry-leading advanced robotics and automation today that we will continue to scale tomorrow. With our size, our scale, our sophistication, we are a preferred partner with our sourcing, technology, and last-mile partners. Our re-engineering of the network has increased our online capacity by 2.5 times while reducing the footprint of our network by 5 distribution centers and reducing our cost per unit by more than 10%. It's all about ensuring inventory availability for our customers and ensuring and providing more choice for our customers. We've enabled the ability to serve customers digitally, as has been mentioned, offering buy online, pick up in store, curbside service, and ship from store capability. In addition to, of course, providing a great, safe retailing in-store experience for our customers and for our associates. As we grow through our brand power and our omni expression, we will continue to expand these efficient omni fulfillment capabilities at scale. Looking ahead, we're fueling the acceleration of and that shift into our omni model through a fleet restructuring, a store re-engineering effort, and automation. Across the fleet, we are rationalizing the portfolio with fewer Gap and Banana Republic stores and shifting the weight of the fleet to Old Navy and Athleta from what was a 42% penetration to a 52% penetration going forward. Most of the closures we have going forward are going to be in malls. The majority will close at lease expiration, but there will be a handful of stores that we're planning to close through a buyout. Also, we're negotiating rent for the remainder of terms on a segment of those stores. This restructuring will right-size our ROD and position us well to grow omni sales. Now, Katrina is going to share more on our store fleet plans in a moment. More than the opportunity to transform our fleet, we have the opportunity to transform our store experience and operations. We have tremendous internal muscle to bring to bear. We have deep customer knowledge built on enduring relationships, modern store designs and layouts, tailored to elevate our brands and streamline operations, advanced digital and omni capabilities to power personalized, seamless experiences, and proven engineering and automation expertise that drives efficiency, speed, and inventory optimization. Combining these advantages, we will design a more convenient, personalized, and brand-tailored experience for customers with mobile-driven self-service options such as self-checkouts and returns, along with integrated loyalty programs, as John mentioned, and platforms that enhance her connection to our brands. Many of these customer-facing improvements also help improve our store operating costs, applying automation to key customer touchpoints such as checkout and back-of-house operations, enabling us to provide greater levels of service and engagement with our customers. We are focusing on a holistic redesign of our store's operating model, reimagining upstream operations, embedding data-driven performance management across the fleet, and empowering our store associates to do what they do best, be brand ambassadors. Now, the challenges we face with COVID are unlike anything that we faced in our lives. We had to come together to quickly lead and collaborate with our teams and our partner network on the best path forward. This is where we saw the potential of our end-to-end company and partners fully unleashed. On top of the monumental work to ensure employees and customers were safe, and our supply was pivoted to our online demand, our product and logistics teams also built an entirely new business, our masks product line and B2B mask business. In under a week, each brand had fully digitally developed initial mask offerings, leveraging the existing raw materials in the network. They were produced and air-shipped to market in under 5 weeks, and since then have leveraged a weekly demand read to meet evolving customer demand and reduce inventory liability. Since April, this new business has sold over $225 million of masks, won accolades for best masks, and brought in nearly 1 million new customers to our portfolio brands, and of course helped millions of people feel safe. This is a tremendous example of how the power of our end-to-end scale and the capabilities that we have can come to life for our customers, and how we can generate a sustainable advantage for our shareholders. I'm really excited about the progress we've made to date, and I'm even more excited about the potential in front of us. Our journey over the next 3 years will be focused on leveraging these strengths and creating a lean, advantaged end-to-end operating model, one that is engineered and purpose-built to deliver the very best experience and products for our customers. Thank you very much.